How's it going?
Good.
You checking out the taco?
Yeah.
Big bad taco? 240. Cute little machine. I prefer my 259. The overhead door is nice, but that's about it that I like about those machines. They're deafening to ride in, and they do let a lot of cold air in. My Deere was an overhead door, and I hated it. But I do prefer the overhead door, but just the things that come along with it, I do not like. So, at the 307.5 here.
Remember whereabouts you said finished grade was? Just
see the string? Right there. Basically what we're doing is, that's like 4 feet, man. That's higher than he told me.
Oh, no.
He told me 39 inches, not 48. But anyways, I would just go off of this, Mark. Go off of this right here, that height. Not in there, but like right here. That's what I would do. Because we got to slope this way too. That wall is going to get higher and higher and higher if he starts doing things like this. But yeah, we'll do what he wants. As long as he pays the bill, right? Ching ching, yeah, that's right. You just got to be clear with your clients though. Don't just say, oh yeah, here's your bill. No, tell them what's going on before you start doing things. Anyways, that's going to be our new finished grade. The garage is going here. What do you say, 26 by 30? 26 by 30, 26 wide by 30 long. Or sorry, 26 deep by 30 wide. That would be a proper way to say it. Yeah. So Mark's getting the transit set up. .259's warming up. We got I think 18 or 20 pallets of wall material coming. Johnny started taking this wall out. I'm gonna have to pause this.
Some way.
Oh yeah. It'll love Mr. Alan Jackson. Yeah, so this wall's coming out. There's gonna be a wall going in pretty much right here. So that wall's got to come out. We are doing a small little wall to go in to meet up with this wall, because I can't get too close to that, because the closer I get, the more of a load's being put on that wall, and it ain't going to take it. So we want to be able to take it right to about here, pretty much right where these lower stones are sitting, and those are all coming out. Going to be put over there. I do have the hydro I got to watch out for, as you can see there. Yeah. It'll be a good size wall. But yeah, this has got to come out. Hopefully I can reuse a bit of this, because it's just going to be kind of buried anyway. We want to tie into this and take it that way a little bit further. So our wall coming this direction can just butt right into it. Yeah, measuring tapes, there's one on each side of the door. There's pencils in the passenger side. Knives are in both sides. There's a new pack of blades in the driver's door as well. Oh, Mr. Milwaukee, watch out for this guy. He's got a switchblade experience. All right. So I'm gonna go up there though. I'm gonna actually move some things around, because we have a lot of blocks coming, and they all got to go up there because they're having an event going on today. Oops.
Oopsie poopsie.
Yeah.
What can you do?
So what do you think of a little taco?
It's not a cat, but it's nice.
That's what I said up there. So it's nice. I said, but I prefer to my cat.
Yeah.
Just because I like the overhead door, but because of everything rattling, it makes it worse. And if you ever ran in one of those in the winter, man, the cold air coming in there is not pleasant.
Yeah.
Because I used to take my Deere to go do some things in the winter, and oh my goodness, was it cold! And rattle, 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 rattle your brains loose.
Oh yeah.
But she's a cute little machine. Looks like his track may need a little bit of adjustment, but yeah. I don't know what the spec is on those, but yeah, it looks like to me it needs to be tightened up a bit. Oh, bugs. Oh, high idle's on. So I'm gonna get rocking and rolling. Move some stuff up there so we can have room. Let's get her done. Alright. Time for this girl to earn its keep. Oh, a little bit of water in there, eh? Yeah, we had a lot of rain the other day. I forcefully keep looking up here like in the 259 for the I want to hit that sucker. Where's that wall? Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Level this out. There we go. The old Geogrid we put in, oh my goodness, 7-8 years ago. It's been a while. Getting used to this machine there, she's fast. I tell you, she sure effortlessly digs. this thing fast.
I know, man.
I'm barely touching it. I may have to slow her down a bit. At least till I get used to it.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the reach. I love it. Pretty sturdy. I like this thing. She's pretty sturdy. That's the old weeper we had behind the wall. That's coming out, but we're gonna tie into it. Yeah, exactly. So we got all the rocks out of there, ones that'd be a problem anyway. Got all the organics dug out for where our footing's going. You can see down there. Yeah, right here. All the organics stripped out of there. You gotta watch out for this hydro line, but now we just, I don't know what the heck that was. Something beeped. Gotta be careful here. There is a gas line there. Well, I can't go crazy deep there. This stuff I can keep. They don't want to go deep there. There is a gas line. Just core it out down to over there. There on the side of the house. I'm loving this thing so far. She's a beast. So where I got it dug out to is going to give us a good and wide footing, give us about almost a foot per toe. Watch out for this hydro here. Once I get this spot done, I can actually level myself up going down the hill so I can use the blade to big rock. I don't like that. It's near the gas line. Excuse me. Bug in my throat. Yeah, it looks like a good size rock. be hitting a gas line. That's not a good day. Yeah, loving this machine so far. It is going to pay for itself easy. Rock. Oh dear. Alright, we got her out. Can you even see down there where I'm digging? Oh yeah, you can see. Yeah, what I've managed to do here in a matter of like 2-3 hours with this machine, well, more like 2 hours. The 303 never, ever in a million years would have been able to do anything like this. Rock out there. Up there. I'm sure we'll find a few more. Nice and slow is the way to go. That's what she said, right? Yeah, I definitely ain't digging this out with the tooth bucket. Again, we do not want to hit a gas line. Not fun. Not a good day. Couldn't find there, like it was not excavated and put in. It was bored, put in directly from the road with their machine all the way up over to the house, right on the side of the house there. So I think it'd be pretty deep because it's quite a difference in grade, and I would be super happy if it's really deep. Time here. Taking my time. Nice and slow is the way to go. Alright, I'm going to keep on getting this out. Maybe we'll set you up for a time lapse. You can watch me in the 307.5. Packer in. I'll keep the idle down.
go is the way to go, right? That's what she said. Dude, she's in the hole.
Morning, boys.
Morning.
I love your salute. I don't know why you're saluting.
I have
me.
no idea.
Yeah. No, I'll take it though. Just give one right back. There we go, bud. Yeah, mutual respect. So here's the steps. We got, how many more we got going in here, Mark? 3? 2, 3? 2, 3. Landing. Right here. And then more steps going up. Not many, I think 3, right?
Yeah.
8 total, yeah. 3. So we're gonna get started on our wall down yonder. Mark's probably gonna bang another get another step going on here, and we're gonna start this this wall. Yeah, so we're gonna have a full row buried because it is gonna be a pretty tall wall. You can see the height of the finished grade there. It's not really tall. I mean, it's gonna be just over 6 feet. The high point, and probably whoa. Hornets are still out.
Hornet?
Yeah, probably going to be closer to 5-ish feet down on this end from that finished grade. Okay, why are you coming up so high? Well, because we have another job that we're doing here. This string line here, this one, it's actually going to be right around there, represents a new finished grade down here. Because there is going to be a 26 by 30 garage put in here, and you'll see some videos on that. Anyways, pitter patter. I'm going to get at her, check the fluids on that little butte, and then start getting some gravel down there so I can screed it, so we can start slapping blocks in, and maybe cut a few blocks in half, because I will need a few heifers. Anyways, pitter patter. Oh goodness, where is that? It's fired up.
Oh, that's loud. First block is in. Now we're dropping the second one in. Good? Beautiful. Second one's in. Oh, it's dusty, almost like someone's cutting bricks. So I gotta level this area up so I can actually reach that other side. So I have to drop the blade in front of me. Put one more block in that side. Are we cutting the Geogrid like this way? And how long do you want it if that's the case? I'll have to come look at that. Alright, so usually with the Geogrid, Mark was asking which way we were putting it. Usually one of these is thicker than this way, They're both the same thickness, so it doesn't matter which way you put this one, but sometimes you will have one that's thicker than the other. So you want the thicker coming from the wall, running parallel with it. Well, not parallel, but on a 90-degree angle. You don't want the thin one pulling this way, because if it starts tearing, there's a problem. Right? Agreed?
Yeah,
agreed.
That's
common sense, right?
Yeah.
Common sense of the common people. I wonder if anyone's going to pick up on that line. Might be political, maybe, slightly, maybe. I don't know. All right, so they're doing that. I'm gonna get this area all prepared. Sitting somewhat level. Watch the hydro lines. this machine. Actually gonna tell my wife there, you got some competition, babe. I'm just kidding, she doesn't. But yeah, this machine is freaking awesome. Ready to roll. Let's get up there. Setting blocks. I just don't want him lying there. You never know, man. That would kill him. I can go right down there, I guess. Sorry, dude, I gotta avoid that wire.
Oh, you're good, man.
I'm like this far from thing.
Yeah.
Three more blocks, and then we can put the Geogrid on and the next row on top. Alright, I'm gonna get these three on. We'll get the Geogrid in place and we'll show you how we're doing that.
Johnny here. We're trying to locate a coiled up wire to power up his new garage. It's going right there. Hitting rock here. Jimbo in the 307, Mark Rakin, Johnny playing cameraman. But yeah, she may be here or she may be over nearest tap. El Taco. We will find out, folks. I'll set you up right here.
End of day 2. Let's see how high Mark's got the steps built up. We just pissed around. I don't remember what we were talking about anymore. Yeah, some sort of piece of pipe. I don't remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, that's right. It's like 6:30 now. We were pissing around trying to find this damn thing, which is exactly where I thought it was to begin with, which is pretty much right beside the taco there, the 240 Takouchi. The taco, El Taco. I think Johnny was doing a little video and then he got cut off explaining what we were looking for. We did find it right off the hop, but the end of it coiled was over there. So there's the garage going here, footers to be done, foundation, etc. And then obviously going up from there. Yeah, you can see we're looking here. Couldn't find it. Good times, good times. Anyways, we got our wall rocking. Mark's got his steps up fairways here. I think he's got 2 more to go. Come in this direction, which will come right to the end of this, right there. So here's our wall. That's our second layer of Geogrid. I don't know how tall the wall is right now. There's got to be coping going on that. But our first layer of Geogrid is somewhere around here. Yeah, right there. Right in between that row. And then that'll be the second and final layer for that wall. Because now we're going to be actually doing a tiered system over here. Yeah, the wall's not too high up. It's a nice wall system. I like it. Oaks. My go-to company. Yeah, looks good. You can build really high with this wall system. This one's being built vertically level, so yeah. I think it's going to match the house quite well. I think so. Yeah. Anyways, it is Thursday, but I'll be unloading some trucks here tomorrow with more material because we don't have hardly anything left. And we'll also be at a different job site finishing that one up. Yeah. So I got enough here to do a little video. Got our compactor all locked in at the 307, locking her in. Yep. She's locked up tight. Who's shutting her down? Any takers?
So, you guys enjoy this one. Nice wild little goose chase at the end of the day.
Yeah, no doubt, right?
You know, we found her. We got her.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Yep. Yeah. You guys enjoy this one, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bam.
Adios.
Nice salute. I like the salute. By the way, we did put this underground like how many years ago? 7 years ago, I guess.
I can't remember.
When did we do the first? 2016? It was 16 or 17. Yeah, 2016 or 17. We buried that over there. Anyways,
Yeah. Oh, cool.
like Johnny said, a little salute. Salute just. Yeah, a little salute. Mark ain't gonna salute. He's ready to go home. He needs to go get a coffee fix. Clear power, let's get the hell out of here, boys.
Yeah.